These days we are barely getting any free video tools, but you can still access Google's Veo 3 legally by using the Google's own platforms. So in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to access the Google Veo 3 legally. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the point. So this is going to be our first platform. Don't worry, you are going to get the website link. But the most important thing is to how to use it and how to access this. So first of all, click on a new project and you'll have the interface like this. Now simply click on the generate button, and in this sidebar you can see we have multiple different options. So if I just click on the agent section, you can see we have multiple agents like Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Audio LM and also Veo. So if I just click on the Veo, now we can use the Veo 3.1, but that's not it. But how do we know that this is Veo 3 or Veo 3.1? So click on the advanced setting, and from here you can switch between the Veo 3 or Veo 3.1, and make sure to choose the required aspect ratio. Let's go with a 16:9 ratio. So this option is only for the text to video, but don't worry, I'm going to also show you how to use the image to video option. So let's give it any basic prompt. Now you can see we don't have any generate button over here, and to generate you have to click on the preview, and from here click start, and now this will start generating your video. And here's the output. Pretty decent output. And if you want to download this, click on this download button. Now let's move towards the image to video section. So just click on this generated prompt section, and again click on the user input, and from here we are going to click on the advanced settings and make sure to select the image. And once we have it, we are going to connect this node to the generate section node just like this, and you will be connected. Now from here we are going to just give it a prompt. Again click on the preview section, just give it a quick refresh, and from here click start. And now you can see we have the option to upload our input image. So from here we are going to upload it from the device and then hit generate. So it's working. And if you are wondering how to access this, so simply go to your search bar and search for Opal AI, then click on the first link, and rest we have just covered. Now the second method is going to be Google Vids. So this is the exact URL. Now simply click on the sign in into the vids, and then you will have this interface in front of you. So we have multiple different options. So we are going to click on the Veo 3.1, and once we click on that, you are going to get this kind of interface in front of you. Now this is important bar, and these are some of the inspiration videos. So if you want to get an inspiration, let's copy this one and paste it over here and hit generate. And unlike the Opal AI, you don't have the option to switch between the Veo 3 or Veo 3.1. This is default 3.1. So here is the output, and surprisingly this match faster than previous one. Click on the insert. This will be added to our timeline. So if I just play
Our
this,
strategy focuses on innovative, sustainable practices. This data clearly indicates a significant opportunity for growth in the coming fiscal year.
now for image to video, click on this drop down menu and select the animate an image. Now we have the option to add our image. So let's select an image from here. Let's give it a prompt, insert in a new scene. Here is the output. So again the quality is insane. So I'm not saying this is unlimited. You still have some daily limitations like 10 to 12 videos a day, but I think this is a pretty decent number. So right now this is working. I don't know how long this will be working, but by the time I'm recording this video, this is totally free. So just leave your comment and check this out. That's it from today. See you in the next one.